Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's dive into Lightroom Mobile. I'm going to show you how to load our presets in. Go ahead and open up the image you want to edit. Click on presets at the bottom. They're like two little circles. This beautiful image here on my screen is by Camilla, Cheney. Beautiful dog photography. At the top, you can click the little dots and choose Import Presets. Select the downloads on your phone or your device and hit Import. As soon as the presets has finished loading, they will appear right here in your preset panel. So once you've got the presets in, you can just open up, I've opened up the LSP Wild Spirit Unleashed Pro Collection, click a preset, and you can slide it stronger or calmer until you're happy. Click back on your presets and go through. You'll notice there are title presets in here, they do nothing. The presets are numbered. So here, the white balance, daylight, flash and shade. You can just click these until you're happy, and again, you can slide every preset that's included. Our Wild Spirit presets contain everything you need for professional animal and wildlife editing. So let's have a look what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to hit one of the tone coolers. The great thing with these is you can just start at the top and scroll through just as I'm doing right now and apply your most beautiful edit. Now we're into the wild bases. You can see a little preview of these on the left, which really helps when you know what kind of look you're going for. But you can click each one and you can cancel it, or you can choose another one. These are all one preset per section, so you can go through them a little bit until you find the one that's going to work for you. I think lift lights or crisp for this one, hard to decide. Okay, and now let's go down past that section again. How about a little tweak here? I'm just going to take the contrast up a little bit. There we go, and let's just calm that one. This is literally how you use them. You just go through and you're building your edit one tweak at a time. Of course, there are our Wild Spirit Curated Unleashed presets, which you also get. They are all in one clicks so that you can get this entire look in one click, including masking. As you work your way down, you'll notice that there are masks included. I'm just speeding up a little bit now. You literally scroll, you click whichever one you want to apply. If you want to change it, you can just slide the slider back and forth. You can click them all to try them out. Our full tutorials are in Lightroom Classic. The same principles apply, so if you want to watch our other tutorials, you can apply that to Lightroom Mobile. Now we're into the mask section. These apply custom masks to your edit. You use them in exactly the same way, but you can see here we were just editing the light in the background. Let's add another one. How about we add, just coming into the shade, a deep bottom and rich edging. These are all just adding masks in. They're absolutely beautiful. You get a downloaded PDF guide, PDF magazine guide with this, with recipes included, and also tutorials of how to use these, how to install in Lightroom Mobile, and best practices when using masks and brushes. Just applied the sky preset there. Again, this is the LSP Actions Wild Spirit Unleashed Pro Collection, where you build your image piece by piece. Let's go over and take a look at the Wild Spirit Curated Instant presets. And there's our after shot of that gorgeous dog. Okay, so the Wild Spirit Instant Curated presets are a little bit different. Instead of building your edit, you just click and it does everything. A bit more like your classic preset, but with a twist. These are clever presets. They include masking, AI subject detection, and they are put together and tested on thousands of images. So I'm just scrolling through a beautiful bird picture on my screen by Ivor, Wellbelove, and I've just clicked the chaos preset, just detecting the background. Only really needs to do this once per image, and then you can go. And again, when these presets apply, you can slide the slider up and down. Look at that beautiful chaos. It's done everything in one click. Let's go over to another image now. This beautiful stag photographed by Ivor, Wellbelove again. And let's open up our presets. Again, this is the Wild Spirit Curated Instance. Let's apply some instant looks. And you can see on the left, if your masks are grayed out, it means that it needs to detect subject. If it still doesn't work, it means you're not on premium. You need to be on premium version of Lightroom Mobile to be able to use masks. That's silky. Stable, the base presets are just your editing. The combos involve all the masks and AI. Tatana, really nice. So you can just click through. You can see the little previews of something you like. Just click it and see what you think. That's spring. That's in our breezy section. White ice, great for studio. as well as Pug Life. I like that one, nice and balanced, but you can slide it up or down and it's going to affect, you see how it's affecting the background? It affects your whole image. Okay, back on presets, back where we were. Scrolling. There are loads here. The winter ones are really cool, and it also makes snow over your image if you click on the combo/effects. The same as in our golden collection. If you click combo effects, you're going to get golden bokeh and glitters over your image, and sun effects. Really pretty. This is Caspar, combo plus effects. You can see that that's such a difference to our original image. A real muted, warm winter edit there. Really pretty. Talking of muted, let's try that one. I think that looks really beautiful. And there's our after image, before and after, just in a click. And very, very, you can see that it does not degrade anything. It changes the background, it adds everything. Very, very quick. These are professional workflow presets. I hope you love them. You can find more tutorials over on our website, lsp-actions.com, under the resources video tutorials section. I'd love to see what you do with these. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.